Hey guys, I'm going to answer this question that Barack asked in the Facebook group. There are different kinds of courses on Teachable. Each course has its own group on a Zoho Connect. How to send automated group invitation to user when user buys the course. It is important to be invited on a group basis. So I've looked into it and I'm pretty sure I've got it working. So I'll show you it working and then I'll show you how I did it. Step by step, right? So here's the zap. Here is a filter. So basically the zap's going to come in, new enrollment, and we're going to grab that information on Zapier, whatever you call it. Zapier. I don't even know what I call it now. Then we're going to filter it because we've got to pick out the course. We need to know what course to send to the group, and then we're going to send it an invite to the group. And by sending an invite, we're going to invite them to Zoho Connect, and we're going to invite them to the group, right? So here is it working. So it's this. I've done it on this one as a test. So here's my Zoho CRM webinar course. I'm going to put in test 1343 as a name. Test. In fact, yeah. I'll use an email that won't confuse you because it comes to the same inbox, right? So let me just I'll put a Happy Me Golf, right? That's the email I'm going to do. team@happymegolf.com. Put in a password and agree, right? So this is the course sign up. This is if you've paid for your course, if they're now in. They've signed up for your training course, right? Now in the emails, this is why I did it separately. I'm going to get an email saying Test 1336 has signed up for the webinar, for the training course. I also get the Teachable, Happy Me Golf has just enrolled. And here is what the student gets. This is the Happy Me Golf inbox, right? So confirm your account with Teachable. They're going to do that. You are now enrolled in that training course. Here's the invitation. If that person isn't in your network, it's going to send it an invite. But as that person accepts the invite and creates an account, it'll also add them to that group, right? So copy, and if I go over here and paste and go. If I'd have clicked on it, it would have opened in the browser I was always using. So if I put in Happy Me Golf, put in a password I'll sort of remember, and create an account, right? And you'll see here, webinar series, and it's a private group. Look up there, it's private, but I've got access to it because not only has it added me to the network, it's also automatically added me to that group. So exactly how was it done is going to be the question, right? So what you need to do, firstly, you grab the course, you grab you grab a new enrollment, then you filter it to a course number. Only continue if course ID equals, and then you go there, right? So how do you get the course ID? You go to admin, you go pick that course, and in the URL at the top here, you'll see that is the course ID right there. Copy that. I'm going to set it all up again in a minute, and that's what's going to do it. And then you add it to the group. So let's just do it from scratch. So I'm going to make a new zap, because you're going to have to do this for every single course you've got, right? I don't know how many courses you've got. So if I go Teachable, new enrollment, save and continue, you're going to connect an account, put in your email, password, and your course, your school course URL, so what the default course is. You have to have a paid version of Teachable, which I'm presuming you have. I've already connected mine, right? So connect your Teachable, save and continue. It will grab latest information so that you can test it. I'll continue, and then it's going to say choose an app, but you need to go over here and add a filter or action. right? So add filter, only continue if, set the filter, right? Only continue if course ID exactly matches, and then we're going to go back to the admin and grab that course number there, right? Grab that course number, post that in there, test and continue. So now we've grabbed the course information, we've filtered it to the course ID number, and now we're going to go and select in here Zoho Connect. If you go here, show less common options, it'll say here, add member to a group. So you click on that, save and continue. Connect to an account. If you're logged in, it's going to give you an option if you're .com or .eu. Accept. Save and continue. And then you're going to pick your network. So that one was my test network. You're going to pick your group. So that one was webinar sign up group. And then you're going to pick the email of the new enrollment. So go to new enrollment, user email, click continue, send test and connect. So we know that that one's already worked, right? I don't know if I get an email on that test because that one works. Oh, that's just an email saying welcome to my training. That's happy me. So basically that would work. If for you it would work as you'd get the email test. So that's all you've got to do. You know, connect to Teachable, connect to your training, your website, add the filter so it's only continue if the course ID is a text field, it's not a number field, matches the course number, and then fire the group invite. And like I said, it fires a network invite at the same time. So I hope that helps. I hope it makes sense. Any questions, ask on the video or ask in the forum. Anybody else watching, come and join my Facebook forum. It's facebook.com/groups/Paul Nicholson Go. And these are the kind of questions we're answering. We do a lot on Zoho. But we're looking to make your business process a lot easier and simpler. Thanks, guys.